Hi everybody, Miss Jessie here over at the Townsend Library, and I want to thank you so much for joining me for this story time and craft. Today we have a really fun, exciting one because we are now saying goodbye to the year 2020, and we're going to say hello to 2021. It's our Happy New Year story time. So thank you so much for joining me. So today, the book is The Night Before New Year's. Are you ready? It's a good one. The Night Before New Year's by Natasha Wing. Oh, here we go. 'Twas the last night of December, what we call New Year's Eve. A whole year had flown by. It was hard to believe. We were pretty excited. Our puppy was too. We cheered out with the old and in with the new. Oh, please, I begged, can we stay up till midnight for this one special evening? My parents told us. All right. So we drove to the store to buy party supplies, hats, horns, and poppers, and sparkly bow ties. At home we put up all the streamers and balloons, silver glitter and gold stars to twinkle up our rooms. A banner was hung by the ceiling with care in hopes that baby New Year would soon be here. We gathered for dinner, a grand late-night feast. All our family favorites. I ate 3 cupcakes at least. With a clink of our glasses, we all gave a toast, making New Year's resolutions. My dad had the most. That's a fun thing to do on New Year's Eve, that you think about something special that you want to try to do or try to work on in the new year. And that's called a New Year's resolution. But I couldn't come up with one single vow. That's okay, said Mom. You don't have to right now. After dinner was done, we'd played checkers and charades, then broke out the cards for a long game of spades. We shared fond memories. Oh, there were dozens. Holidays, camping trips, and new baby cousins. It's fun to talk about all the special things that happened that year. Our eyelids were droopy, so we ducked out for fresh air. Then came in to watch the crowd lining Times Square. One more hour, said Dad, till the new year is here. Put on your hats, said Mom. Let's practice our cheer. Counting down from 10, without a single mistake, we tooted horns and popped poppers. I was now wide awake. My brother chased our puppy all through the house. Then Mom and Dad noticed, it was quiet as a mouse. There was no sound of barking, no little boy chatter. So we sprang from the couch to see what was the matter. What do you think? Why did it get so quiet? Then, what to our wondering eyes should appear but 2 party poopers? Make that 3 now. Oh dear. So the new year starts after midnight on New Year's Eve. That's the middle of the night. And it's so hard to stay up that even though their parents told them they could, it was still too tricky. They fell asleep. While our puppy curled up on my father's lap, my brother and I went upstairs for a 5-minute nap. We both soon were nestled, all snug in our beds, while visions of fireworks danced in our heads. The next thing I knew, it was sunny and bright. Rats! We missed ringing in the new year last night. But that's when I came up with my resolution. I believe I absolutely will stay up for next New Year's Eve. The end. It's really hard because the new year comes so late at night. But if you fall asleep, you can always celebrate again the next day. So in the book and even on the cover, they showed beautiful fireworks. And fireworks are something that's so fun and that helps to celebrate special things. So I thought, perfect art activity to make our own special fireworks. So in your kit, you will have either a blue or black piece of paper for the night sky. You have some yellow paint. Now what's cool about this paint is that it should glow in the dark once it's dry. We have some gold glitter. And then we also have a paper tube with lines cut in it. So we're going to kind of push up on the strips so that it kind of fans out a little bit. And then the only other thing that you'll need from your house is either a paper plate or some tin foil so that we can pour the paint on to spread it out. And that's it. So I'm going to push you back so that we can do this together. So I'm going to tilt you down and I'll show you. So you'll see all my supplies. And then I had a little paper plate. So with that plate you can take or tin foil or whatever else that you have, you can pour your paint on there. Because then we're going to dip in the paper tube. And the tube is too big to fit in our little cup. So then we take this and we're going to dip it in until it gets some paint on it. And then on our piece of paper, we're going to press down like you're stamping, and it makes the look of the beautiful fireworks exploding. I'm going to dip in and get a few more, a little bit more paint, and then put it down. Perfect! So there are my fireworks. And then once you're all done, and you think you have enough fireworks on your paper, we're going to take our little container of glitter, and using our pincher fingers, we can scoop some up and sprinkle it on top of our paint. Because fireworks glow and bright and lighten up the night sky, so the glitter makes them look like they're fiery fireworks. Good job. And then you can kind of move the glitter around a little bit to make sure it got all in the paint. And then if you want, you can put extra glitter back into your cup. And there you have it, your own special firework painting. Now, you could even then take it and you could write, Happy New Year, or you could write 2021. Now also in your kit, I gave everybody their own special paper that you could color in and fill out. You can write your name, the new year that it's coming into, how old you are, color in the pictures, and then you can write a special memory that you had during last year, and then a special thing that you would like to do this year, and then sign it. And that will be a special thing, and maybe you can even put it away somewhere so that next New Year's you can take it out and read it and see if this thing that you wanted to do during 2021, to see if you completed it. So thank you all for joining me so much, and I wish you the best, happiest New Year, and I will see you all very soon.